Hello everybody, my name is Miriam Texador and today we're going to be doing copper foiling for a project that I'm doing at the home. I'm doing a stained glass window and I'm going to just do the very simple as show you how to do copper foiling on stained glass. This is what we call this Tiffany style. So I'm using a red granite glass, and what I'm going to need is the glass, the piece that you're doing. And also we have the Studio Pro. I'm using copper, if you can see this. And the size that I'm using is 7 by 32 inches. This is the normal size that I normally use all the time. It just fits well into on the sides of the glass, and you'll see why. And I got this in Hobby Lobby for $6.99, so that's a pretty reasonable price. And then I have just this burnishers, what they call them. But you can use